Today I'll guide you what's the best voice translator apps for iPhone and Android. To know that, make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. So here I'm on the Play Store or the App Store on my device. On the top you can see the search bar, tap on it and you can type in the Google Translate. So when you open the Google Translate, here you can see all the information about this application. So this is one of the best voice translator apps for iPhone and Android because it offers text translation in over 100 languages, real-time conversation translation, offline translation for selected languages, and camera translation for text and images. So where you can scroll down and go through its rating and reviews as well. So this is one of them. After that, let's come back and go to the main page of Play Store and let's type in here again, say hi translator. Here you can easily find this app on the Play Store. So this is also another best voice translator apps for Android and iPhone because it enables the translation in over 100 languages, real-time conversation translation, offline mode for selected languages, and speech-to-speech capabilities. So these are the two best voice translator according to my research. But please note there might be new updates, so it's good idea to check the latest reviews and features before making any decisions. So I hope this video was informative for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.